Hey, I'm Denis Cherevichnik and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to introduce you a couple of my brand new ratchet-lock folding knives of my own design. A couple of brand new models. So, what exactly is new? It's almost the same model as before, but I've decided to equip it with the old style humpback lock. Love this style. And with the Sevilla style, Spanish Sevilla Andalusian style, head of the spring in the shape of a Spanish guitar. Otherwise, it's absolutely the same ratchet lock folder. This navaja style is known as capaora in Spain. This style. Recognizable blade shape and the handle shape. See this angle here. Yes, and this model is fully assembled with the screws. This is a G10. Let's try to close it and to open it. Ratchet sound. Angry rattlesnake again is here. So this is almost the same model, but naked and without scales. And here you can see the screws. And this is not a humpback, just a regular lock back. Otherwise, it's almost absolutely the same. Ratchet. For sure, I can use any other shape of the spring, not only guitar, because the concept is still the same. That's all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye.